Welcome to the 2025 Awards Night of the Search for the 10 Outstanding Firefighters of the Philippines, or TO, a joint initiative of the Bureau of Fire Protection and SM Prime. While this is only our second year, TO has already gained strong support from the nearly 38,000 men and women of the BFP. To the BFP leadership, from the Directorate to our regional, provincial, city, and municipal marshals, thank you for the trust and commitment that keep this partnership strong.
The search of the 10 outstanding firefighters will give our personnel to boost the morale of its of our personnel. It will also give our agency a public image that would boost our mandate. Number one criteria, of course, is the attitude of the personnel, accomplishment, how we contribute to the mandate of the agency.
Naghahalong saya at lungkot po. Kasi po masaya po ako kasi nakuha ko po yung isa sa prestigious award ng BFP. Malungkot po kasi hindi po ito naabutan ng aking mga kapatid. Actually ma'am, habang nagsisearch po kami sa Outstanding Firefighter, nakahimlay po ang aking kapatid. At 3 araw po ang nawala sa akin. Nawala na makasama ko sa huling pagkakataon ang aking kapatid. Pero worth it po yung aking paghihirap at inaalay ko rin po ang karangalang ito sa aking 2 yumaong kapatid. Malungkot po kasi marami po akong naligtas na buhay. Pero yung kapatid ko po, dahil sa pagtupad sa aking tungkulin, hindi ko po maiwan ng fire station dahil fire truck driver din po ako. Pero alam kong maunawan ako ng mga kapatid ko ngayon kung nasan sila.
Ako, bilang isang nurse before pumasok sa bumbero, ay parang same ganun eh. Kakaroon ka ng sense of purpose. So parang merong meaning yung life mo dahil nagsisave ka ng iba.
Nag-umpisa talaga ako as a young Boy Scout talaga. Doon talaga nag-umpisa yung passion ko. No? And then it grew, no? I entered the service in 2007 and kung ano man yung roots ko, which is yung pagiging Boy Scout nga, is nadala ko na hanggang ngayon. So yes, yun yung passion ko and yun yung naging inspirasyon.
Sa pagpasok ko po sa Bureau of Fire Protection, alam ko po na kinakailangan ibigay ko yung higit pa sa sarili ko. At handa po akong ibigay yon sapagkat bilang isang ina, kailangan ko pong magsilbi sa bayan. Siguraduhin ko po na ang aking serbisyo ay enough para to keep them protected and to keep them secured. Ito po ay karangalan para sa lahat ng aking mga kababayan. Siyempre po, unang-una ang Panginoon. Alay ko po ito sa pamilya ko at alam ko po na lagi po sila nakasuporta sa akin at lahat po ng accomplishments ko ay para po sa kanila.
To the nearly 40,000 firefighters of the Philippines, on behalf of SM Prime, I would like to thank all of you for your dedication, compassion, and inspiring stories that made our country a more resilient Philippines. If not for you, we would not be able to prevent destructive fires. And to all the winners, our fondest congratulations. Kudos to all of you, and please keep up the good work. We need more good stories, and the good stories come from the modern day heroes of disaster reduction. Keep up the good work, and we in SM Prime always support you, and we are proud that we have selected the best 10 firefighters of the Philippines for 2025.